What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today we are going to be sous videing some lamb shoulder. We're going to put it into a bag, suck all the air out of it, cook it in a water bath at a low temperature for a long period of time. When it comes out, it's absolutely delicious. All them fibres would have broken down and it pulls and it's so tasty. We're going to be serving that with a little bit of wholemeal pitta and some cucumber yoghurt. Without further ado, let's get into it. Also, guys, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, then hit that subscribe. And if you really like the video, then feel free to share it. Right, let's go.